Happy Friday from Stora Flatenbadet in Stockholm. Now it's good sunshine. Let not fool you. The wind is blowing like crazy. I mean, it's only 10 degrees Celsius, but it feels like 0 degrees because this wind is so cold itself. It is Friday, 23rd of May, also known as payday in Sweden, because 25th is on a Sunday, and when it is on Sunday it is being moved to the Friday before. And my hand is shaking also when I'm filming this because it is very cold, as I have been doing some dances here also before this. Now I went out today a bit later because the forecast said it is going to be sun, and there is some sun here and there, but overall it is mostly cloudy day. And tomorrow it's going to be a lot more sunny, so the sun is back for the weekend, which is amazing after 2 depressing days, 2.5 if I count this one as well. This is one of the best beaches actually in South Stockholm, Stora Flatenbadet, and there are 2 other beaches along the coast here of Lake Flaten, that is. And I have shown you actually one of those beaches earlier this week. So yes, 23rd of May, 10 degrees in the air and 12 degrees in the lake I have just measured. And you can see on this side the water is flat and on the other side is quite moving. So I'm gonna choose the flat side because I think it's a bit warmer over here. Yes, I'm still very busy with Eurovision, and I'm so happy that I have gotten so many new subscribers. So thank you everyone for following me and subscribing to my channel. I think I'm gonna hit 27,500 today. So yeah, let's grow more. I guess my Eurovision shorts are being appreciated a lot, but I hope that more people will start watching my beach adventures as well soon. Beach day number 15, and let's not wait any longer because it is cold. I really want to get back home and drink some hot tea. Oh yes, let's take a look also at my bike. I have put it next to a tree, and to get to this beach it is around 9 kilometers from my home. I'm not gonna go all the way to the bike, but I'm gonna show you a bit more of the beach, and it's a huge sandy beach indeed, the main part of it, and lots of greenery in this Flaten Nature Preserve. There is a jumping platform that is currently moving. I'm not really sure how is it moving, maybe from the wind, but I'm freezing. It was not a good idea to come here today. I should have chosen a place where the wind is shielded by the forest, but it is what it is. We're gonna go with the flow. It's freezing! My hand is shaking. And I will get a bit warmer from the water because it is 12 degrees in the water, which is perfect for me. The water is so clear, you can see it through as well. Luckily I have a lot of clothes with me today, so I will be warm on my bicycle ride back home. And yes, happy Friday everyone, hope you have a nice Friday and weekend. And there will be more sun in the beach adventure tomorrow for sure. So, alright, ready, set, and go! Yes, much warmer than in the air. That's beautiful. I really enjoy making this kind of dips in May but I really hope that the weather will be warm again soon to do a bit more longer in the lake. So yeah, greetings from Stora Flatenbadet in Stockholm. Thank you so much for watching, and see you soon again with another beach adventure on the channel. Beach Adventures with Chris!